Welcome to today's quick tech tutorial. I'm Coach Ben, and this is made just for you on the fly. This will be focusing on using a public Kahoot. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create.kahoot.it. I can just Google create Kahoot, or I can go directly to that site. Then I'm going to go ahead and log in. So today we're going to look at public Kahoots, and you can see here, right here's my tab for public Kahoots. Let's go ahead and click on that. And so right now I have a few options. I can look at all, I can look at most popular, trending near you, or the top Kahooters. Or I can look for a specific Kahoot, like for example, Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. So let's go ahead and do a search for that and see what comes up. So I can see I have lots of choices here. Not all these are necessarily great quizzes, but we're going to check them out and preview them to see what we like. A few things that sometimes help us is we can look at the number of plays and the number of favorites. So let's go ahead and check this one out. I want to go ahead and preview it, and I can click on the icon over here to preview it. So I can go ahead and I can click here to show all answers if I'd like, or I can just click here to show the answers I want. I can see that this has 21 questions. I can go ahead and take a preview of the questions to see if I like them. All the questions have 120 seconds. If that's something I want to change, I can go ahead and do that. So at this point, I like this quiz. So I have two options, really. I can either play it, or I can duplicate it. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it, and the reason I'm going to do that is so I can have access to it later. As you can see here, I'm now under my public Kahoots. Here's my draft of the one I duplicated, but I can't quite play it yet. I have to go ahead and hit the continuing editing button. So at this point, if I'm happy with the quiz, I can hit save and move on. I can also do things like change the time limit. I can edit questions, I can delete questions, or I can rearrange questions. So I'm happy, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. And if I want to, I can play it just from here. I can preview it. I can also edit it. Let's go ahead and say we wanted to come back to it later. And so I'm going to start with my home page. And here I'm on my home page, and now I can click on my Kahoots. And I can see right here the duplicate of Percy Jackson the Lightning Thief. And I can go ahead and hit play. Again, choose my options, hit classic, and then it says ready to join. It's going to pop up my PIN number. Of course, students go to kahoot.it right here, and they're ready to go. Hopefully this helps you how to access public Kahoots. If you have any questions, please go ahead and email us at edtech@alisal.org. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.